Today we are going Today we are going to draw white diamond from Zero and Universe like our other character. So let's jump right into it. To make this drawing we are going to use color markers, a pencil and a pen. Let's do it! So this is the result. I really like it, but while I was drawing this at the start, I always thought like, should I keep going? Should I make it in another style? Should I do another video entirely? But I kept going, and I think that that's what you should do too, because if you are scared that you will ruin the perfect drawing that you made, don't be, because even if you do, you will learn something, like how to ink better, how to draw better, or how to color better. So even if you ruin the drawing, you will learn something. And that's good, because that's the only way that you can grow as an artist. So keep going and keep drawing every single day if you can. If you like this video or this drawing, please subscribe, because I'm just starting out and any help I can get is really good for me and my channel.